Okay, last question on lesson 97 starred problems. It says Sam had 5 alphabet cards face down on the table, and then he asked students to pick up 2 cards. 2 cards. What is the probability the student will pick up 2 vowels? And what is the probability he'll pick up 2 consonants? Now what's interesting is we're not replacing it. We're not picking up a card and putting it back down. So the probability of a vowel the first time, I'm going to put first time, is, let's see, A and E are vowels, so I have 2 out of 5. Okay, oops. And then the probability of a vowel the second time, let's pretend I got a vowel the first time, so I only have 1 left out of 4. So the probability of 2 vowels is going to be 2/5 times 1/4, which is 2 over 20, which is 1/10. So that is A. And then for B, the probability of a consonant. So the probability of a consonant the first time, I have B, C, and D are all 3 consonants, so I have 3 out of 5. And the probability of a consonant the second time, so I have 1 less card. So I have 2 consonants now, because let's assume I picked 1 out of 4, which is 1/2. So the probability of 2 consonants is 3/5 times 1/2, which is 3 over 10. And that's the end of lesson 97 practice set and start problems.